Welcome back to our 19th web programming tutorial. Now, I did forget to mention one last thing in the last video, which we'll deal with at some point in the future when dealing with CSS, but it's to do with padding and spacings, really. So if I wanted to add some padding to this table, what it would do is it would give a little bit more space to everything around it. So if I wanted to do horizontal or vertical padding, say it'll give you one, maybe two. You can select the amount of pixels you want it pushed up or down or across. That way, instead of having everything right on the side, or in this case in the middle of it, it will spread itself out. It'll give itself a bit more space. So now, firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to copy this table and break thing, and we're just going to go down one line and do it. Now we're going to create a new page called list, and we'll name it list.html, and we'll save this, and we want Control N, and we want Control Alt S, and we'll save it as list.html. And if we look over here, everything's correct. Now we want to grab the about doc type HTML now. Okay, so got our nice little return thing. Again, we'll just call this my list, and we'll call this page list. And now, just under the header, we want to build our first list. Now, I'm going to do a couple of tutorials on this. We're just going to do an unordered list at first, and then we'll do an ordered list in the next tutorial. So if you're looking for the ordered list tutorial, that's in the next one. And so here we want li. So this is basically list item. That's why that I always say it to myself. And we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so go with Family Guy names again. Peter, Lois, Chris, Meg, Brian. Just making sure I didn't accidentally spell brain then, and we'll also put in Stewie. I'm hoping that's how you spell him. Now we need to close the list off with unordered list. Now you might be thinking what an unordered list would actually look like. Well, it's pretty simple, and it's basically the exact same as an ordered list. Now we want to go down to list here. So this is an unordered list. It's just dot points. An ordered list is a little bit different, but we'll cover that in the next video, even though it gives you pretty much the exact same result. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video for our ordered list.